How to fix some keys not working on a laptop keyboard. So if you want to fix some keys not working in your laptop keyboard, then the first thing you need to do is just open up your settings. Right click on your Windows, go with settings. Once you open up your settings, you just need to simply go with system option. Under system, scroll down and then go with troubleshoot. Go with other troubleshooters, and under other troubleshooters, now if you scroll down, you'll find the keyboard option right here. So you just need to simply go with the keyboard troubleshooter and then go with run, which is on the right side. Once you run the keyboard troubleshooter, then your problem might be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your problem, or if you don't have that option, then right click on your Windows and go with device manager. Once you open up your device manager, you just need to simply go with the keyboard option, go with drop down and click on the driver. Right click on it, go with the properties. Now go with the driver section, and here you need to go with update driver and search automatically for drivers. And after that, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then again go with update and go with browse my computer for drivers, and then go with next and choose the best driver. Once you've done with it, then your problem might be fixed. Or it just needs simply go with browse my computer and then let me pick from a list of available drivers and go with the driver which is right here, and then go with next, and it will update it or it will install the hardware. Or if that still does fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is just simply uninstall the device. Go with the driver option and then go with uninstall. Once you uninstall, then you just need to simply restart, and after restarting, it will automatically install your driver and your problem might be fixed. Now the other thing you can do is just open up your settings and go with the Windows Update. Go with Windows Update, which is right here on the bottom left, and download and install if any updates are available. So that's how you can fix some keys not working on your laptop keyboard, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.